gas closeouts.
Dragon is in startup. Launch directors go for launch.
Minus 15 seconds.
Falcon 9 is configured for flight.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Falcon 9 is on its way to delivering the Dragon spacecraft for its 14th commercial resupply services mission. Coming up in about 10 seconds, we have max Q, maximum aerodynamic pressure. That's one of the highest stress states on the vehicle.
Vehicle is supersonic. Vehicle is experiencing maximum dynamic pressure.
Just passed through max Q. This first stage burn will last for about another minute and 10 seconds. As we leave Earth's atmosphere, you'll notice the exhaust plume gradually expanding.
Back engine chill.
Just heard the call out that the upper stage engine, the Merlin vacuum, has begun chilling in, similar to how we chill in the 9 Merlin engines before the initial liftoff of the Falcon 9. Now coming up in rapid succession, at about T plus 2 minutes and 40 seconds, we'll have MECO, our main engine cutoff, followed by stage separation, followed by ignition of the upper stage engine. Let's watch.
Maybe go.
Stage separation.
Ignition.
And what you just saw there was a successful shutdown of the 9 Merlin engines of our first stage, followed by separation of our first stage from our second stage using 4 pneumatic actuators at the forward end of the stage. And then after that, you saw ignition of our upper stage engine. You may have noticed a piece of metal flying away from the engine. That's a stiffener ring that protects the larger Merlin vacuum nozzle on ascent. That's totally nominal. And on the left side of your screen there, that's actually the Dragon nose cone that has popped off and is falling back to space. Dragon nose cone falling off, totally nominal. That's exactly what we want to see. We use that nose cone to protect the forward end of Dragon on ascent through the aerodynamic, the atmospheric drag we see. that's a good sign. That means we're outside of the atmosphere, so the forces on the forward end of the vehicle are significantly reduced. About 2 minutes into our second stage burn. If you're just joining us so far, the first stage had an on-time launch, just like we like it. A nominal ascent profile, good separation from our second stage. Now that first stage is performing an experimental landing maneuver. We're just gathering some data on this into the Atlantic Ocean. We do not have a drone ship out there in the Atlantic Ocean, so we are not covering this portion of the phase. Though you will probably hear some callouts in a few minutes on entry burn of the first stage. Since that's not our primary mission and we're not intending to recover that first stage, we will just be focusing on second stage right now.